Kumusta? Mm-hmm.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook
Memory
and
of
grin.
Dr. John Brown.
She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps
Yung nasa loob ng
pulling
simbahan.
at my chain. Oh, traveler,
Dito yung pupusto yung choir nila. Ayan.
carry the sun in your stride.
Dito kala kakanta. May nagka-hilay na. Parang
What I
para
hold
talaga.
inside. If
Puso
I
talaga nila.
don't ask your name today,
Iwan ko lang kung ano sa action nila. Parang baka hari yan dito.
to walk
Ikotin pa natin.
beside your wandering day.
Basa niyo. To the glory of God and in memory of Sir
She hums a
Robert
tune I've never
Lorna.
heard in languages I can't
So
speak.
dito wala kang makikitang mga
She
santo
writes down cities
na
on her
nilalagay.
lips.
Yung makikita lang dito yung mga in memory, yung mga siguro mga importanteng tao
I
na
sip my coffee,
yung mga in memory, pero yung mga santo-santo wala kang makita dito.
by my fear.
Ah,
But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she
ito yung upuan nila.
won't be here.
Maganda sa puwet. Upo tayo. Sarap po. Ang sarap po po.
You carry the
Tabi ko magtapos sa
sun
puwet.
in your stride,
Suabe.
leaving behind
Hindi man masyadong kalabay kalakihan dito.
what I hold inside.
Maliit lang yung area. Di tulad sa atin talagang malaki yung mga ano.
Today,
Yung mga upuan,
never get
yata masyadong crowded kung may nagsisimba naman dito.
to walk beside your wandering den.
Yan.
Maybe next year in Madrid or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if
Napakaluma
courage
siguro nito.
comes
Siguro yung
too
mga
late?
sinauna pang vlog nila na ginagamit during during bakbakan. Yan. Lumang-luma na ito eh. Pero talagang pinipreserve nila. Natago pa nila. Ito yung papaya na namumulaklak. Ayan, kumukuha ng picture.
If I don't take